Hey guys, what's up? It's Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something very exciting and very different. I have partnered up with Boxycharm to do a unboxing for you guys. So if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription basis box. They do a lot of beauty products. So I got the basic box. I know they have like the premium ones as well if you guys want something a little bit more in-depth product wise, but I got the basic one and I'm really excited to show you guys what's in it. I have no idea what's in it. It is a surprise, so we are kind of going through it together, and yeah. So I picked up the May box for Boxycharm. You get 4 to 5 full-size products in this box for $25, which is super awesome because they work with really high-end brands, stuff that you can find at like Sephora and Ulta and higher-end beauty stores. So you get 4 to 5 full-size items per month on a subscription basis, and they are super awesome. Before we get into it, if you guys are interested in grabbing a Boxycharm and twinning with me, the link is down below for you guys to check out. Even just check out their website. Their stuff is super awesome. I absolutely love them. Make sure you guys check them out. Just one more thing before we get into it. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kendra. I make videos twice a week on occasion. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss any of my new uploads. Give this video a big thumbs up before we get into it, and leave me a comment letting me know what you thought and what you want to see next. Make sure you guys also follow me on Instagram. It is Kendra A. Rowe. Add me on Snapchat. It is Kinder Surprisers. And all of my other social media is linked down below. Check it out and come say hi. Okay, so let's get right into the unboxing. So when you open it, it says Boxycharm, hashtag Boxycharm, and then Hello Charmer, which is really cute. I couldn't figure out how to like open it up, so we're just gonna pull it down, and then it's full of products. So the first thing that I see is really exciting. It's Tarte. If you guys don't know, Tarte is sold at Sephora and online and Ulta, and yeah, so this is their Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. I've actually really wanted to try this product for a while. I love Tarte. I love their beauty products, so getting into more of their skincare is super exciting. So it says use this mess-free, no rinse cleansing water anytime, anywhere. So I'm really excited to try that, and it is like a full-size actual like thing. Like I'm pretty sure the retail on this is like, actually let's find out. So in Canada, I just checked, this retails for $24 and the box is $25, so you've already made your money back with the one product plus all the other bonus little goodies you get. I'm really excited to try this, and I absolutely love Tarte, so yes, super exciting. Continuing on in the box, we have a Appeal Ultra Cream Liquid Lipstick. This is a super pretty color. Let's see if it'll focus. It is in the color, or the shade, not color, Sugar and Spice. I'm actually really excited to try this. Let's swatch it. This looks like a really pretty like matte. Oh, I love the applicator. I love applicators that look like that. Oh, it's so smooth and so creamy. Look at that, you guys. That is so awesome. I've never heard of Appeal, but I actually love this. So yeah, I got this liquid lipstick, super pretty. I'm actually really excited to try this. I think the shade will look really good on me, so that's super awesome. I always love lip glosses and lipsticks, so I'm really excited to add that to my collection. There's 3 more things. So I got 5 full-size beauty products. The next thing is a Pretty Vulgar. I've heard of this brand. I've heard they're supposed to be super awesome, so I'm really excited to try this. It is a eyeshadow primer. I'm always looking for a good eyeshadow primer because I don't wear eyeshadow a lot, but when I do, you want to make sure that you're not creasing or anything. You know how it is. That is literally such a nice consistency. Oh my god, that's gonna be so awesome. I am literally so excited to try this. So yeah, I have seen this brand at Sephora and they're super awesome, so I'm very excited to try this eyeshadow primer. There's 2 more products, which is super exciting. I'm super excited. The next thing that I see is this. Oh my gosh, it's Haas Laboratories. I've been wanting to try out this brand forever. I saw one of my friends raving about them on Instagram yesterday. So this is a liquid eyeliner. I like how they spelled eyeliner. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like like L-I-E liner. I think that's really cute. It's in the shade Whiskey. I love liquid eyeliners. I can't really work with like the brush and the gel, so like the pens work really well for me. It's got really cute packaging. It says Haas Laboratories on it. So this is a brown, I think, which is really exciting. Put it over top of the eyeshadow primer. Oh, it's literally so beautiful. Okay, look at the color, but it's such like a thin brush. It looks like it's gonna work really well for achieving that perfect winged look for those days that you want to wear eyeliner. So yeah, and Haas is a really up and coming brand, so I'm very excited to try out some of their products. Hopefully pick up some more in the future, maybe even from Boxycharm. There's one more product. So it's kind of stuck. There we go. It is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pad. So it's skin smoothing pads, which I feel like are gonna be super awesome. I'm not the best with my skincare, so like at night I can just throw on like my micellar water to help take off my makeup, finish with a dynamic resurfacing facial pad, and be good to go after some moisturizers. That should help with my makeup routine. Let's open them. They're just like little pads. There's so many in here. You use one to take the makeup off my hand. They smell so good. Like usually makeup remover doesn't smell like that good. These smell so good. They say that they are act as a very effective yet gentle exfoliator. So it'd be really nice to have a simple exfoliating plan instead of just kind of like using an exfoliator, splashing water all over your face, getting water all over the counter. Just use the pads. They're super gentle and they seem to work for removing makeup too, which is super awesome, which I feel like is really good, and then it can just kind of help smooth your skin out as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video with Boxycharm. Thanks again to Boxycharm for the awesome products. I am so excited to use everything that I was given. Hi Milo. Milo says he's excited too. Make sure you guys check out the link in the description if you wanted to pick up your own box for yourself. Make sure you guys also send me a message on Instagram or Snapchat or whatever, letting me know that you picked one up so we can twin and talk about the products together. They are $25 for the month of May and going forward, so make sure you guys check that out. They're super awesome. If you like this video, make sure you guys subscribe for more. Turn those post notifications so you don't miss any of my next uploads. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know what you thought, what you want to see next. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. It's Kendra Rowe, and add me on Snapchat. It's Kinder Surprisers. I love chatting with you guys, so make sure you guys say hi. I think that's pretty much it. If I missed anything, all my other socials are linked down below. Boxycharm is linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check out my other videos, and I think that's it. Love you guys. Bye.